Michelle from Makeup or Breakup blog, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing reveal for the IPSY Glam Bag Plus box for August 2019. Pretty excited to see what's inside. Ooh, okay. This box talks about, let's see, it's called Bare Yourself. It's a little sexy there. And of course it gives the little card inside to tell you what has been ordered or what's in the box. All right, the first thing that was in here is the Tarte Dream Big eyeshadow palette. It's a cute size, believe it or not. This is apparently full size because the IPSY Glam Bag Plus is about not sample or deluxe sample sizes, but full size. And apparently this indicates what colors are in there, if you can see. So almost like ice cream Neapolitan colors. Double Duty Beauty. Let's see what it reads on the card, shall we? It says, from brunch to boardroom. This portable 8-shade palette is designed to serve unlimited looks with a mix of metallic and mattes. Formulated with Amazonian clay, the non-chalky powder blends like a breeze and controls oily lids. Plus, it's 100% cruelty-free. This is what it looks like on the inside. Do you see the colors? Beautiful, right? It has that interesting smell, almost like, to me, like cocoa. It smells like cocoa. So I'm just gonna see what it says here. The names are interesting. Let's see. This is Ambitious and Risk Taker. So I'm gonna try Ambitious because these are more like, and Risk Taker, and I'm going to blot them here. The next are You Can, Happening is the purple, and Hustle, which is this deeper color down here. And Happening comes off a little bit chalky, but that's okay. And finally, This Is It, All In and Go For It. This is how the colors look so far, in case you're wondering. The first 2-3 colors are really pale. The second one, which was Risk Taker, is on the shimmer side, as well as You Can, which is the third color in. You Can, Risk Taker, and the first one is called Ambitious. Okay, the final 3, which are 2 more purples, and then finally it looks like a brown down here, like a deep chocolate brown. This Is It. Let's do this real quick in my other hand. This Is It. Second one is All In. And the last one is Go For It. Okay, I'm gonna put them on this side so you can see. This one in the center, the All In. Let's see. There we go. Okay, for a minute I didn't see it. But these are the colors. Very daytime, they say daytime to boardroom, like hanging out. I would say definitely. These are not club colors. These are colors that you can wear on the everyday, whether it's at work or doing a brunch, let's say. So they're not unicorn colors, they're not fluorescent colors, they're not pastel colors. They're basic color wear, so I like, and I like that it comes with a full-size mirror like that. Very cute. Value for this palette is $30, in case you were wondering. Okay, and the next thing I have is a brush set This is from Farah, Farah. Those are the initials with little initials, yes. And it says, Show Me Magic Eye Brush Set. Okay. Quality brushes change the game. Created by a team of beauty lovers, Farah Eye brushes feature luxe synthetic fibers to take your blending, shading, and cut creases to the next level. This 5-piece set is 100% vegan and cruelty-free, so you can get that feel-good glow up. And this is estimated, the value, let's see, $50. This is something new. This is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer. And this has an SPF of 50. I could have used this back in June. This is a full coverage moisturizer. Clinically tested, hydrating and anti-aging with 3D Skin Flex. And it's trademarked, the 3D Skin Flex. So let's see what it says here. Developed with dermatologists, this foundation helps you put, it says full coverage moisturizer. Here it reads as an actual foundation. It says foundation in the other one too. It says Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer. So that kind of confused me. I thought it was an actual moisturizer for foundation, but apparently it is. A foundation is just a moisturizing foundation. Okay. This foundation helps you get your best face forward, with the proprietary 3D Skin Flex technology. This lightweight formula covers imperfections while giving you an even, natural-looking finish. Plus, it's infused with a protective SPF 50. It says to apply 1 to 2 pumps on clean skin, blending outward from the center of your face. Since it's super moisturizing, it can be used on top or in place of your skincare products. And this is retailed, the value at $39.50 US. Okay. Next brand here is called the Suba, S-U-V-A. No italicized, as far as initials. It's not initialized, it's Suba, S-U-V-A Beauty. Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops in Trust Fund. Summer, the time to shine. This liquid highlighter gets you glowing from head to toe, whether you're going for a subtle sheen or an extreme strobe effect. Hitting the dance floor, the water-resistant formula won't budge when you're busting a move. Okay. And it says to shake first. Finally, last but not least, I have the Perlice Blue Lotus Essential Daily Moisturizer in SPF 30. Again, this would have been great stuff to get with the SPF in June. It says here, finding a daily go-to that hydrates without feeling greasy and protects your skin with SPF is like finding a unicorn. Lucky for us, this fast-absorbing formula is infused with white tea, vitamin E, and algae extracts to help prevent fine lines while shielding your skin from the sun. It says to massage with clean skin first thing in the morning, at least 30 minutes before sun exposure. The value for this is $45. We'll start with the Perlice Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer. Next, I'm going to use this Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops from Suba. The scent on the Perlice is light. There is a slight scent, but it's not perfumey. It smells more like a lotion, if that makes sense. Okay, this is how the Suba comes in this cute little bottle. It is glass. Just going to give it a good shake. Now we go in with the IT Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer in light. Well, safe to say I'm in that category. This is what the tube looks like. Maybe I should shake it. I don't know how it's going to come out. This is all the first time reveal, unveiling. Okay. Full coverage moisturizer. Let's see. So there's the top. It's a pump, which is nice. Okay. Moment of truth. I don't know if I smell anything. Just pump this here. Okay, it's a little liquidy. Just gonna put a little bit there for now because it's supposed to be full coverage, and I've heard good things about the coverage for IT Cosmetics, but this is what it looks like. And just look at the edges of these. This is much more fluffy. This is to pack it in more. This is to really pack on the lid. This as well, because it feels just as sturdy as this. And then there's these two. Feels like a Neapolitan to me. I'm gonna go for it. This lovely brown that you see down here. I'll put that here just to add some dimension. And don't worry, I'll clean it up. Wow, that is pretty. See, it does add really nice dimension. I'm going to use the fluffy brush to go in and blend this. Very nice. Now there is a bit of fallout, I'm not going to lie, but that can easily be corrected. Like that. Very simple, nothing complicated. I'm loving it. Okay guys, and this is my completed look. What do you think? All I added to complete the look was mascara, blush, and lip. And I also use the setting spray. What did I think of this box? What can IPSY do in the future in order to retain clients, especially for the IPSY Glam Plus box? I get the 5 size, but when you look at the size of, like, let's say this month's offering, this is how big they are. Okay, this is how big they are. For some people, even though this is full size, this looks really small in the box. And I'll show you the box. So this is the box. Let's see if I can do this without knocking down everything. You know what I mean? Okay. It just comes, if they saw that the products were this small, maybe they could have added something extra. I don't know. So those are my final thoughts on IPSY Glam Bag. I'm going to leave my explanation at that. I don't want to get carried away with it because I'm like, yeah, it was great, but... So I would give this a B. Based on the skincare option alone, it gets a B. It would get an A if it had that extra factor. Do you understand what I mean? Anyway, that's my thoughts on the IPSY Glam Bag Plus box for August 2019, as well as my overall impression for the June, July, and August boxes. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you an IPSY subscriber? Do you subscribe just to the regular Glam Bag? Or did you also kick it up and get another subscription for the IPSY Glam Bag Plus? And what did you get in your box? Let me know in the description below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching. This is Dora Michelle again from Makeup or Breakup Blog, and I will see you on the next makeup adventure. Take care.